Mga mare ko, may bagong ruta na ang Clark Airport. Look, there's flights directly to Hanoi, Vietnam. So, Clark to Hanoi and Hanoi to Clark. Ang total niyan, kung walang baggage, is only 7,892 pesos. Ngayon, gawin nating go easy, yung may baggage. 20 kilograms ba? Yeah. And how much ang total? It will become 10,132, which is the same cost na lang ng flying from Manila, 'di ba? I don't know kung mas mura kasi alam ko around 9-10,000 din yon. So for people living in Pampanga, like for me, na I live 20 minutes from the airport, this is sobrang sulit. Ngayon, try natin maghanap ng piso fare. Let's see kung may piso fare pa. Ayan no, piso. Magandang buwan ba yung June? July? O tag-ulan na sa kanila? I'm not sure. But let's just check it out. Ba't parang hindi piso fare? Parang same lang. Okay, kung basic, ganun din eh. Parang hindi naman piso fare. Teka lang. Kung piso fare, dapat 5,000 or less. Huy, feeling. Pero sanay ako pag piso fare, ganun. Sige, try natin to August 13 to 28. So, I'm not sure about the visa-free entry. Baka 14 days lang. But just for the sake of knowing how much it is kung piso fare, tingnan natin. Parang hindi. No? O yan na yung piso fare niya, yung 7,000 pesos. Yan. Kasi maraming taxes and fees eh. So, whatever you see, when you first click on the date, that's not the total. 7, 8, tapos 10 something kapag may baggage. Sige, try pa tayo. Kasi kanina pa in-announce to eh, so baka ubos na rin ng piso seats. Hanap tayo ng mas malayong dates. Ayan. Oh, diba? Pasok yan sa visa free entry. Ang mahal. 4K? Di mas mahal to. Tama ba? 8,000. Feeling ko pwedeng less than 6K to eh. Teka, hanap pa tayo. Yan. August 1 to September 1. Ay, mali. August 1 to... Ano ba nangyayari? Ba't ganyan? September 19 to... Hindi. Ano ba? September 19 to October 2. Ayan. Sige. Piso fare nakalagay dun ha. Let's see. Parang hindi naman piso fare. Ito nga mas mura pa to. 3.5. So let's try. No. They're not mura. Ang arte, they're not mura. Tail end na yata ng piso fare to. Sige, puntahan natin yung ibang months. Hala, humaba na yung video. I was just gonna talk about the ad that I saw. 3.5 talaga eh. Sige, 3.5. Tapos yung Hanoi to Clark. Ano ba tong date? September 8. October 2. Ito na, pinakamura. Yan ang piso fare. So, 2.5 pala. Ay, gosh. Piso fare. Ito, hindi ko ba napili ito? Ayan. See, 6,000 lang siya. Itong 3.5 na Clark to Hanoi, that's not piso fare. Siguro discounted fare lang yan. So, sabihin natin both sila 2.5. So, around 5K or less possible. O, diba, bongga? Nice.